आपकी जो बेस्ट एक्टर अवार्ड है, आई वॉन्ट टू टॉक
जी
ये फिल्म, अगेन देयर हैज़ बीन a lot of criticism for that, good, bad, what not. I'm not interested in that. मुझे ये पूछना है कि you play a father of a girl in the movie. तो आपकी बेटी आराध्या का क्या ओपिनियन था ये मूवी? उसने देखी कि नहीं अभी मूवी?
देखिए, आप कोई भी काम करें, there's going to be somebody who's going to have an opposing view. You have to decide in today's day and age, और आज का जो माहौल है, you have to decide who you want to listen to and how much of the white noise you want to cut out.
Yeah.
I'm a very positive person. I believe in looking ahead. I believe in moving forward. And if you do fail, fail forward. A failure is only a failure if you don't learn something from it.
True.
And you have to just be positive about whatever you do. I do movies because I love being part of them. I know nothing else. It's my family business. It's what I grew up around. And it's what I love doing. I'm passionate about telling stories. I'm passionate about being in the movies. I love watching movies. हम लोग जब छुट्टी पे जाते हैं, the greatest high for me and my family is to go to a theater, buy your popcorn and your cold drink and watch a movie.
You do that?
Yes, we do it regularly when we travel outside the country. It becomes यहाँ, you know, इंडिया में करने में थोड़ी बहुत दिक्कत हो जाती है. You don't want to inconvenience other people.
I get that.
क्योंकि फिर ये सिक्योरिटी आएंगी, ये सब, we don't want that. कभी कभार चुपचाप चले जाते हैं, बट खास करके अगर हम लोग कहीं विदेश जाएं, so within the first 20 to 48 hours, there is a movie we think and we love to go. And that reinvigorates the actor in you. कि the magic when you walk in and watch a movie, वो पूरा जो आप महसूस करते हैं, from the smell of the popcorn and the samosa to the cold drink to sitting, trailers देखना, फिर पिक्चर शुरू होती है, you know, पहले टाइटल्स आते हैं, फिर पिक्चर शुरू होती है, you finish the film, you walk out, and if the film has really touched you, that emotion and that feeling that you get,
Yeah.
it makes you feel कि यार यही करना चाहिए, ये काम बहुत ही बढ़िया है, यही करते हैं. It just reassures you about that. So I don't believe in concentrating on the negativity. There's nothing to be negative about. And, you know, Aishwarya and Aradhya are immensely supportive of me. And the one thing Aishwarya does wonderfully is that she's always, you know, she's instilled a great respect in Aradhya towards the industry and
Towards the craft.
Towards what we do. You know, she's always taught her that we are what we are because the films have given this to us. The audiences are given this to us.
But she is still a teenage girl.
Yes.
With an opinion. और आप एक पिता का रोल निभाया है ये मूवी में, और वो भी लड़की की. So did she have anything to tell you about that?
She has her opinions. She's a very, very sure teenager. She's somebody who has very distinct opinions, which we discuss in private.
Okay.
And but she has a wonderful way of conveying everything.
Okay.
Yeah. That's all you're going to get out of it.
सर आपसे वादा किया था ना कि इस साल के मॉडल पर आपका पहला आके बस वही लाने गया था.
वेलकम टू रिलायंस डिजिटल. यहाँ अजनबी से दोस्ती तक टेक्नोलॉजी और इंडिया का रिश्ता जुड़ता है.